Hi guys, how you're doing? It's the one and only Edlin Motamai, and I'm here to actually teach you about business. And I am experienced in 25 years, whereby it's whether online or offline, which is your physical business. Make sure you do actually subscribe as I stated, and therefore click also the link down below, which is my website or a free AI tool whereby it's absolutely easy. But if you go on to premium, it's got high features, okay, regarding to HD in order for you to actually create things, okay? So you can check it down below in my comment section or description. All right, there's also a link on towards my business page, okay? It's called Mount Walker Digital Products. Go check out my digital products if you want to support me. I'll highly appreciate it. Now let's get to the point, okay? How AI is going to help to save your business. If you have a liquidated business, if you have a business that is running on petrol, low, low petrol, meaning that you cannot afford employees right now, don't worry, I am going to save your business. Firstly, how AI is going to assist with your business is by helping with operational costs, okay? So therefore, if you are going to cut down on employees just for now, what you can do is that you can create your whole entire employee system with just these tools, okay? You're going to use Claude AI, you're going to use Jasper, or you're going to use it's either Robonaut, or I forgot the name of that RoboNeo. Yes, RoboNeo, as well as Gemini, or you can use ChatGPT, which ChatGPT everyone knows, okay, whereby it's going to help you with systematically assisting with your admin work, systematically assisting you with your bookkeeping, your finance, anything that you have to deal with regarding to AI, okay? So therefore, you will still be in place regarding to everything that you are working with operationally, okay? Secondly, it also helps you with admin. So therefore, as I stated already, what will happen is that if you have too much to do, you can actually ask the AI tool to write the whole entire administrative, program for you for the day. Okay, so that's what's the most beautiful part about AI. It actually assists you to write down notes that you need the most, especially in meetings. Okay. Another thing is that it also, like say for instance, you have customer care, right? And therefore you do not have the money to get a customer care service provider, all right, or a third party. You can use Tidio and Zendex, okay? Now what happens, it actually helps as a robot to actually go back to your customers and get feedback and give them the best customer service possible, okay? So it's called Tidio and Zendex, okay? Fourthly is that ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude, you can actually help. It can help. I'm saying you can actually help. It can actually help you with marketing. Okay, so say for instance, you need your marketing to be done. It can assist you as to when the times whereby you can post in your algorithm. Okay, guys, I don't know what's going on with me in English today, but I apologize for that. I apologize for that, okay? So it's going to help you with your algorithm, okay? Therefore, you can post at a certain time whereby you hit your target market in your niche market, even the hashtags and stuff from the Chat GPT or from Claude or from Gemini, okay? So it will assist you with that. So your marketing tools are actually your AI tools. So therefore, you know when to post, especially social media or your website, okay, for your business. Another thing is that it also will help you with fast content generation. Okay, I did write it down because guys, I got a lot to do today. Okay, so with fast content generation, how it's going to assist you is that everything has to be on time, right? So that you can get more customers and break your niche market. Okay, and try and make sure you get there in terms of your reports, your presentations and stuff. So the AI tool will actually assist you with that. There are plenty AI tools. I will actually explain them on the shorts, all right? So therefore, you're going to have to go and check out my shorts, all right? And I'll give you the top 10 AI tools for small business marketing, as well as how to develop your business back to normal, okay? I'll do it on my shorts. So thank you so much for listening. I highly appreciate it, guys. So please go into this AI scene. I know that a lot of people have been naysaying and saying it's damaging the environment and nonsense like that. Guys, if at the end of the day we have chemical plants we have paper issues. We already have damaged the environment. So what we're doing is to save and try and protect the environment as much as possible. So therefore, what I'm saying is that AI is not there to break you. It's there to actually develop you as an individual, so that the fact that you can even try and draft out a good business plan or marketing analysis, anything that you need regarding to AI. Okay, now thank you guys for watching. I highly appreciate it. Make sure you do subscribe, and I do have a sister channel which is Rumble. You can go check that out regarding to mental health, motivation that I actually assist. Also, I've got Elite, whereby Elite is not for adult, for children, it's for adults. Okay, so I cannot speak about it right here on this platform, but therefore thank you so much, and I love you. Bye. And I'm sorry for the mistakes, guys. I'm sorry.
You better subscribe to our channel for more business info.